the world has changed, and I think people have seen both the impacts and the benefits of having a sustainable agenda. And that's not just environmental, it's economic and social as well. And if you think about talent coming into the procurement profession, nearly 40% of millennials choose a job because of a company's sustainability agenda. Business continuity is a priority for businesses overall because it is about the resilience of their business. I think in terms of MRO and critical parts, I think there's been a lot of firefighting and people are moving to a just in case rather than just in time scenario. It will always be important for procurement professionals to keep a control on costs. However, they are focused much more on value now and working with trusted partners and suppliers that can demonstrate the value that they can bring to the whole organisation. The pandemic has driven an increased demand for the requirement for digitisation across the board, I think, in everyday life. But I think for customers and for businesses, it's where do they focus their investment to drive adoption and to drive that efficiency gain and transparency that digital tools can provide. It's around understanding the perspective of that stakeholder and how you can work and collaborate to achieve aligned KPIs. Sustainability and resilience is critical, whether it's resilience in the supply chain, resilience in the business operating model, and also acting with integrity to the values that are upheld within your organisation and the organisation of the supplier. The largest impacts of COVID-19 on MRO procurement, I think, has been the pace that organisations, industries have had to operate to keep the country going. If you think of all the different industry types that operate to keep the infrastructure, the very fabric of manufacturing going, it's that resilience to be able to operate at pace, get the products that you require when you require them, trust that supply chain to be able to deliver to the end customer.